to the 1000 Curiosities channel. My name is Christian and today's video is about the mosquito. It may be hard to believe, but this little insect is the #1 killer on Earth. The mosquitoes carry viruses and parasites without being infected themselves. According to the statistics, mosquitoes are responsible for the death of over 2 million people annually, being the main source of malaria infection. There are approximately 3,500 species of mosquitoes on Earth. Statistics say that there are 14,000 mosquitoes for every human, so for 7 billion people on Earth, the number of mosquitoes is of approximately 100 trillion. Deemed as the most lethal creature on Earth, the mosquito is responsible, besides malaria spread, for spreading the yellow fever, dengue fever, West Nile virus, or encephalitis. These viruses not only kill humans, millions of people suffer because of them, are unable to work, or are left with a handicap. A single mosquito can infect over 100 people with malaria, disease which, according to the OMS, kills one child every 45 seconds on the African continent. However, the HIV is not spread by the mosquitoes. Mosquitoes are encountered on all continents, less so in the polar areas where it is too cold for them to survive. The largest statue of a mosquito in the world is in Comarno, Manitoba in Canada. Erected in 1984, it is made of steel and has a 5-meter wing. A medium-sized mosquito weighs between 2 and 2.5 milligrams, which should allow them to fly very fast. However, they can only reach a speed of 1.5 to 2.5 kilometers an hour, being one of the slowest flying insects on the planet. The Asian tiger mosquito, a very invasive species, consumes 5 microliters of blood in one go. Given that a human's body has approximately 5.5 liters of blood, it would take over 1 million mosquitoes to completely empty a human of their blood. The female mosquitoes need blood in order to lay their eggs. Male mosquitoes never sting because they feed on nectar and plant juice. Once they have sucked the necessary blood, a substance is released in the female mosquito's body that announces that there is enough blood. If this chemical signal is deactivated in the lab, the mosquito sucks blood until it explodes. Before feeding on the blood of a human or an animal, a mosquito will inject its saliva into the victim in order to release a chemical substance that acts as an anesthetic, so that the victim won't feel when it sucks its blood. When females don't reproduce, they will also feed on flower nectar, just like the males. There are mosquito species that do not feed on human blood. For example, the Culiseta melanura feeds almost exclusively on bird blood, while another species prefers the blood of reptiles and amphibians. The carbon dioxide that we exhale is what attracts the mosquitoes. They can identify the carbon dioxide from our breath even from a distance of tens of meters. The more energy a person consumes, or the more physical effort they make, the easier it will be for a mosquito to identify this person. Specialists recommend relaxation and wearing clothes that cover most of the body. There are specially created sprays or creams that repel mosquitoes. It is said that the smell of chocolate or of some menthol-based sweets is driving them away. The noise is made by the flapping of their wings of about 300 to 600 per second. One mosquito can drink blood up to 3 times its weight. One female can lay up to 300 eggs at one time. Females lay their eggs in shallow water or even in moist soil likely to be flooded. Mosquitoes have large eyes which are made up of many individual lenses. Female bite mechanism is made up of 2 tubes. One tube releases the enzyme that prevents blood from clotting, while the other tube is used to suck up the blood. The red spots that can be seen after a mosquito bite represent the allergic reaction of that person to the mosquito saliva. Females live for around 2 months, while males only live about 10 days. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. How bad is your allergic reaction to a mosquito bite? Leave a comment below. My name is Christian, and until the next video, all the best.